Welcome to part one of our virtual gardening series, Gardening and Harvesting. When you think of that verse where Jesus says, "The harvest is plentiful, but the workers are few," do you sometimes wonder, what harvest? I don't see any harvest in my area. People aren't interested in Christianity. In one sense, that's true. People think they know what Christianity and the church are about, and they're not interested in organized religion. But most people consider themselves to be quite spiritual and are open to having spiritual conversations if we know how to approach them properly. 40 years ago, many churches and Christian organizations trained believers to pass out tracts and approach non-believers with a question such as, "Have you heard of the 4 spiritual laws?" Or, "If you were to die and God asked you why he should let you into heaven, what would you say?" However, huge changes have taken place in the culture, and people no longer respond to these types of approaches as they once did. Koukl, author of the excellent book Tactics, suggests that we think of 2 aspects of evangelism: gardening and harvesting. See John 4:36-38. There's a season for plowing, planting, cultivating, watering, weeding, and pruning. It's long and labor-intensive compared to the harvest season. Harvesting, the actual new birth of a person, is a work of God alone. While some people seem to have more of a gift for harvesting, and we should be ready to harvest, we can't control it. But we can be gardeners, which is just as important a part of the evangelism process. We can grow in our relationship with the Lord, in our understanding of the gospel, and in our conversational skills so that we can be effective gardeners in the harvest field. In this series of short videos, we'll explore some strategies and skills that we can learn and use, even in a time of physical isolation from others.